Welcome to Hampton Court. I'm Janin and I'm a watchmaker at a.lange and Söhne. The road to the final watch is particularly long. We strive for the perfect watch. Every component is getting a traditional finishing, visible or not. We assemble every movement twice. Thereby we don't make a difference between a simple two-hand watch or a complication like the Zeitwerk minute repeater. Our long road to perfection starts with finishing every component of the movement. But not every component is getting a complete finishing in the beginning. Why? I will tell you in a few seconds. At Lange we have lots of different finishing techniques, like the engraving on the balance wheel or the black polishing on the hammers of the Zeitwerk striking time. Even parts hidden in the end are getting a lavishly finishing. Every Lange and Söhne watch comes with a sapphire crystal case back, so you can admire the beautiful decorated movement at any time. At the initial assembly, we adjust end shakes of different components. We bend springs and check that they have the right amount of force. We also grind different components like the hammer or the clutch from the chronograph so that they work and fit perfectly together. After all the adjustments, we take the whole movement apart again. Through the first assembly, it can happen that dust and dirt comes into the movement that would cause friction and wear. Also, we are working with German silver and it has a really sensitive surface. Any mishandling with our tools would lead to scratches. After the first assembly, the 3/4 blade is getting the typical cluster ribbing and we polish every gold chaton by hand. After we cleaned every component, we start to reassemble for the second and last time. Therefore, we are using fresh oil and grease. Also, the jig screws are replaced by thermally blued screws. Our long road to perfection comes to an end after regulation, casing the movement, and of course, different quality controls. So this was a short introduction in our art of watchmaking. Thanks for watching.